Mosquitoes, and as much as we need rain, it sounds like this could be a particular concern again after tomorrow night.
Yeah, and it looks like as we've been tracking Dorian just for days upon days, Zach, it could give us a little trouble later in the week.
Yeah, that's going to arrive likely for Friday evening into Saturday morning. We'll have the latest track on that in just a moment, but everything has been rather quiet throughout the course of our day today. So the kids were heading back to school. Many districts kicked off their first day today, and if you have to wait until tomorrow, it's going to be rather nice for the morning hours as the humidity has stayed rather low. And it's not exactly bone dry, but it's enough to keep things rather comfortable as we move through the overnight hours, where our temperatures will fall between the low and the mid-60s. We will see a gradual rise through the day, and in the afternoon hours, we are expecting to get close to the low and mid-80s. But there may be some rain-cooled air associated with this as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours. And it's all accompanied by a cold front that is going to start sliding the moisture towards us, I do think, as we go into about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And there is the chance that this line is going to bring us some heavy downpour. So there's a severe weather component to this as well. So it's likely the rain to consider, along with some gusty winds, maybe potentially pulling in some hail development, and we have to keep a close eye on the severe potential through really 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's the window of opportunity. Once we pass that, the system is sliding off to the south and east, and everything really does quiet down as we move into our Thursday morning. But all eyes still on Dorian as it slowly, and I mean slowly, moves to the north and northwest, now just at 6 miles per hour, and that is actually one of the fastest speeds that we have seen in the last day to 2 days. We have gone from stationary to 1 or 3 miles per hour, so now it's starting to make that northerly turn. The outer bands of this bring rain showers to central Florida, the immediate eastern side of the Florida Peninsula, now undergoing some tropical storm force winds, which is categorized as 35 miles per hour or higher. But you notice that red here, that is hurricane force winds. That is going to be riding up the East Coast and has the potential to be impacting parts of the South and North Carolina. This bullseye here coming right into Wrightsville Beach and Wilmington, North Carolina, before having its eyes set on Hatteras. Still expected to be at Category 2 strength. So this is going to be days of the same conversation. Wednesday, Thursday, finally we see it lift off for Friday, and that's when it has its closest path towards us. This red line here is the official track from the National Hurricane Center. It is well offshore, but there are still some potential implications for areas around Nantucket, maybe dealing with the outer Cape from Friday night into early Saturday morning. The biggest implications, large wave, dangerous surf, and the rip currents obviously come with those two combinations. And then there's a possible coastal wind that is going to be upwards of 30 to even 40 miles per hour. So we obviously have to keep a very close eye on what Dorian has in effect. But Fernand also get crossed off the list. That is the latest tropical storm that's tracking out towards Mexico, and we are now approaching the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season officially, or statistically rather. It comes on September 10th. So we're just about a week away from that. So we will obviously track most of Dorian's progress over the course of the next few days. This upcoming weekend, noticeably cooler than what tomorrow has to offer, as we're back near 85 degrees.
Looks good. Zach, thank you.